Hi everyone, welcome to Siri Tutorials. Okay, so today we are going to do remaining problems which are very important 5 marks questions in differential equations. Okay, in last class we did 3 problems from exercise 5.7. Now we will do some more problems which are most important, and we can do these problems in very few steps. Okay, in easy steps we can do, right? So let us go to our problems. Yes, these are the problems. Already 3 problems I did in previous class, part 1 class. This is about part 2 class. Okay, for differential equations, differentiation 5 marks questions. Okay, so let us see the solution. Very easy. What is given? Y is equal to a e power mx plus b e power nx. Now I am going to do differentiation with respect to x. Differentiation with respect to x. What I get? Y differentiation, y1 is equal to a into, we know, d by dx of e power ax. What is answer? A into e power ax. This a will comes towards here. So here m into e power mx. Here b n into e power nx. This is first differentiation. Again differentiate with respect to x. Y1 differentiation is y2. A into e power mx, same, m into m will become m square. So m square e power mx plus b n square e power nx. Here I got y1 as well as y2. Now I need to prove this value will be equal to 0. Okay, so I will take the LHS. What is LHS? LHS is d square y by dx square is nothing but y2 minus m plus n into dy by dx is nothing but y1 plus mn into y. Its answer I have to prove 0. Okay, so I will prove its answer will be equal to 0. Now let us check just by substituting y2. You have y2, here it is, y2 means a m square e power mx plus b n square e power nx minus of m plus n into y1 a m e power mx plus b n e power nx. Next plus mn into y. What is y? A e power mx plus b e power nx. So by simplifying this, we will get the answer as 0. Very easy. A m square e power mx plus b n square e power nx minus m into a m e power mx plus b n e power nx. Just I multiplied m to this one. After that n. So minus into plus minus n into a m e power mx plus b n e power nx. Next, after that, remaining will be as it is. How can I take? I will take like this, plus a m n e power mx plus b m n e power nx. Now its value will be a m square e power mx plus bn square e power nx. Now multiply this m towards here. What we get? A m square e power mx minus into plus minus b mn. So m multiplying towards here. Mn e power nx minus a mn e power mx, because I am multiplying n here, same n towards here, minus b n square e power nx plus a mn e power nx plus b mn e power nx. Now you can check, these two got cancelled, and bn square, where is bn square? Here it is, minus b plus a minus a. So the answer will be equal to 0. So RHS. So what we can write? Y2 minus of m plus n into y1 plus mny is equal to 0. So this is very important question. In previous exams it was asked so many times. Okay, now let us move on to another problem. This is very easy. We can do this problem in very few steps. How can we? So y is equal to 500 e power 7x plus 600 e power minus 7x. Now differentiate with respect to x. Y differentiation y1, 500 into 7 into e power 7x, because e power 7x differentiation is 7 into e power 7x plus 600 into, same what we get, minus 7 e power minus 7x. So I will differentiate it once again with respect to x, because I need d square y by dx square. Okay, so with this you will get the required answer directly. How? Let us see. Y1 differentiation y2, 500 into, same again, 7 differentiation e power a 7x differentiation, 49 into e power 7x plus 600 into 49 into e power minus 7x. From this, I will take out 49 common. What we get? 500 e power 7x plus 600 e power minus 7x. That is equal to 49 into, what do you call this one? Y. So y2 is equal to 49y. This is the required one. Okay, na? So y2 is equal to, y2 means y2 is nothing but d square y by dx square. Okay, so in very simple steps we got the answer. Next I will move on to one more question. Yes, this is also like previous problem, very easy. So let me do it once. So y is equal to cos inverse x. Now I will differentiate with respect to x. Y differentiation y1 is equal to minus 1 by under root of 1 minus x square, cos inverse x differentiation. Okay, from this I can take it as x is equal to cos y, isn't it? Y is equal to cos inverse x means x is equal to cos y. Now I got y1. So now cross multiply, what we get? Under root of 1 minus x square into y1 is equal to minus 1. Now square on both sides. Square on both sides, what we get? By squaring we get 1 minus x square into y1 square is equal to minus 1 square will become 1. Again differentiate with respect to x. This is in UV form. What is UV form? UV is nothing but u v differentiation plus v u differentiation. Simple. We get 1 minus x square into v differentiation 2y1 into y1 differentiation y2. plus y1 square into 1 minus x square differentiation 0 minus 2x is equal to 1 differentiation is 0. How we got y1 square differentiation is 2y1 into, and this y1 differentiation is y2. It is like x square differentiation. X square differentiation is equal to 2x. Okay, na? Right. Because I did one problem in previous part 1, same method it will be. So here we can write what is common from this 2y1. I will take out common. We get 1 minus x square into y2 plus into minus minus 2xy1 is equal to 0. From this I have taken common. Here how can we write 1 minus x square into y2 minus 2xy1 is equal to 0. Next here minus will become plus. So 1 minus x square into y2 is equal to 2xy1. That implies y2 is equal to 2xy1, or let me say it once, here 2 also common, no? So we won't get 2 here. That means we will get xy1 only. xy1. xy1 divided by 1 minus x square. Here this is multiplying. It will become divided by. Okay. So here in the question what was asked, find y2 in terms of y alone. In y we need to find. So I will draw one line like this. Now let us check. Y2 is equal to, here we need answer in y only, but it is in x as well as y1. Okay, how to change? So it is very important how to change. Here you have x by 1 minus x square into y1. What is y1? Yes, this is y1. This is y1. y1 is nothing but minus 1 by under root of 1 minus x square. Now you have one more condition. What is that? X is equal to cos y. So cos y divided by 1 minus cos square y into minus 1 by under root of 1 minus cos square y. Now it is converted into total y terms. So y2 is equal to cos y divided by 1 minus cos square means sin square y minus 1 by under root of 1 minus cos square means sin y. That is equal to 1 minus, here I will compare these two. Cos y by sin y minus cot y. 1 by sin square is nothing but cosec square y. This is y2 is equal to in terms of y. Okay, na? So this is little bit of lengthiest but easiest. Now we are going to do one more problem. See this problem, it is also very easy. E power y into x plus 1 is equal to 1. We have to show that y2 is equal to y1 whole square. Now I will differentiate with respect to x. This is UV formula. So e power y into x plus 1 differentiation 1 plus 0 plus x plus 1 into e power y differentiation e power y into y differentiation dy by dx, and 1 differentiation is 0. Now from this I have taken common as e power y. So 1 plus x plus 1 into dy by dx is equal to how much? 0. But we know one condition. What is that? e power y always not equal to 0. Then remaining will be equal to 0. What is that? 1 plus x plus 1 into dy by dx is equal to 0. From this, what about dy by dx is equal to? How can I write? X plus 1 into dy by dx is equal to minus 1. Dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by x plus 1. Okay, so this is dy by dx. Now I will differentiate again with respect to x. Dy by dx differentiation, d square y by dx square is equal to minus of. Now I will consider this as x. So 1 by x differentiation is minus 1 by x square. So minus 1 by x square is nothing but x plus 1 whole square. So minus in minus plus 1 by x plus 1 square. Now I will write this as minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square, isn't it? Because minus square will become plus. So we can write this one as this. So it is nothing but this one. Okay, so I will substitute here. What we get? Dy by dx whole square. It is value of d square y by dx square. Okay, so this is also one of the important questions. Okay, na? So previous 3 problems and these 4 problems, from all these problems one question compulsory in your annual examination. Okay, so very important. So if you have any doubts, so you can comment. Thank you. Good night to you all.